guess again what we are going to be unboxing. Whoa, I am already wearing it. Welcome to Ashira Namsdam. Today I'm coming to you with unboxing video. So we are going to unbox something I've been looking forward to for a very long time, and today we have a jacket. For the longest time I've been wearing my old winter jacket, and it was time to get a new jacket, and today I purchased a new jacket from the shopping trip I went to in Paris. So today we have I have my new winter jacket from Moncler, and this jacket is the winter jacket. So as you see, I still have my shopping bag in. I haven't worn it. I bought it and it was so I haven't yet used this jacket for anything, so I have recently purchased it. So as you can see, I've opened it. So it was so this is my new winter jacket. Most of you are saying, yeah, Ashiro, the winter is almost over. Yes, I know. I didn't just buy it for one winter. I bought it for the next coming winters too. So if you purchase such a jacket, it's a very expensive jacket. It's not cheap. However, it's really beautiful. So I also asked to get a hanger with it so that I can hang it well, and I was lucky that I got one, but most of the time they don't offer you a hanger, but they offer you the bag, the carry-on bag. So it's a very nice jacket. Only thing I'm trying to do now is remove the tags. So let me try to remove the shopping tags so that I can try to wear the jacket for you. Now I have to cut off this. I do not have the scissors, but I have to show you something. Now this is a special jacket because inside the jacket you have this strip figure thing. I don't know, most of you have heard about this brand, Moncler. It's not a cheap brand. It specializes in making winter jackets, and it also has some jackets. I have a few jackets from Moncler. I love it. I don't know why. I just keep buying their jackets, and this time I had to buy a new one. So this time I bought the classic piece. I don't know the name anymore. Let me see. I don't know. I think it's called Hermine. Yeah. And I wear a size 00. No, I wear a size 0. And so this is a size 0, and this is how it fits. And I know most of you will be like, yes, you're inside, why are you wearing a jacket? I'm just showing you how it fits. So it's a very long jacket, so it goes till down below, but this is how it will look on me. And if I have to put on the caption, I will really look so lovely. And that was it today. And thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe below if you're new here. Thanks for watching and thanks for joining us. Subscribe and like this video, share it, and see you soon.